Hello, Tony. Good evening, Tony.
Good evening.
Okay, Tony, can you hear teacher?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, teacher's voice is clear. Now, Tony, listen. Last time, what we had was we did listening activity. Now, today, Tony, is you will be
So
doing
count.
12, still unit 12, but it's now letter B. Okay? Unit 12B, Tony, is all about reading and writing. Okay, where are you? Tony, I want you to be more focused in this. I want you to read the words correctly and properly pronounce each words correctly, Tony. Try to understand the words or sentences that is shown to you, okay? I don't want a fast answer. A teacher wants to have the correct answer, okay? And you try to review. Are you ready? Tony?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yes, you are ready. Okay, Tony, here we go. I'm gonna share to you the screen now. So all right, so here we go, Tony. So the first task for you is to look and read. Choose the correct words and write them on the lines. Tony, we have here the words town, the world, farm, cup, mountains, stairs, bottle, and zoo. Okay, and I also have here 6 sentences. You're going to write after the sentence the word being described. Example, number 1. You can drink a tea in this. What's the answer? You can drink a tea in this. The answer is?
Answer is
Where you can drink the tea. It's in the? What do you use in drinking tea? Use cup. Can you see this? Cup. So that is
yes.
how you are going to answer this activity. Okay. Tony, I'll give you time to think of an answer. Please try to answer properly. Don't be in a hurry. Try to review. Go, Tony. You can do it. Just tell me when you're done.
Monggolia. Cha cha cha. People live time. More people live in than in a village. What? Rồi 언니 진짜 잘. Bum 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 dum 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 dum. Rồi. Đừng ve sát quá không? Nước ngọt đá với mọi người cực hảo.
Đi sát xuống trời
Im đi.
mà đang nói về đây lắm mà lại ngồi đó lắm về
Tôi nằm ra đi. Need these to go up to the Going only to jam. Tick, 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 tick. Only to get them to the boat. Say so. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Cha-cha-cha.
Okay, Tony, are you done answering?
Yes, I'm done.
All right, so I want you to review, read each sentence, and tell me your answer. Go, number 1. Read number 1, Tony. More people.
More people live here than a village. Town.
2.
People climbing.
Climbing. Not climbing, it's climbing.
Climbing. Is in holiday.
What's the answer?
Mountain.
Okay, number 3.
You can buy lemonade in this a bottle. 4. If one animal like cows and sheep. Here, you a farm. 5. You need to go up to the second floor. Stairs. 6. It is big and round, and we all live there.
It's the world. Okay, number 1. More people live here than in a village. Look at Tony. The answer is town. Correct. 2. People like climbing. Do not say climbing, but it's climbing. Okay. M. Do not pronounce B. Climbing bees in the holidays. Very good. Mountains. 3. You can buy lemonade in this bottle is correct. 4. You find animals like cows and sheep here. Farm Tony is correct. 5. You need this to go up to the second floor. That is stairs. Correct. 6. It is big and round and we all live there. It's the word. Great work, Tony. Good job. It's another perfect score. Now, Tony, here you're going to look at the picture, Tony. Write yes if it's in the picture. Write no if it's not in the picture. For example, Tony, it's a sunny day. The answer is yes, because in the picture, it is sunny day. Next, number 2, Tony. Example 2. A white cat is sitting on the wall. What's the answer? A white cat is sitting on the wall. The answer is
No.
no. Why? The answer is no.
Because the white cat is sitting on the wall.
Huh?
It's not a white cat.
What is
It's
it?
a black cat.
Very good. So that makes the sentence wrong. Okay, Tony? Look at the sentence and the picture. Write yes if it's correct, no if it's not.
The teacher is pointing at the dog. Let's up, let's up, let's up. Let's up, let's up, let's up. Let's up, let's up, let's up. Let's up. A boy with red trousers. Red trousers. No, red trousers. Red trouser, red trouser, red trouser. Red trouser. A boy with red trouser is riding a bicycle. What is a boy? Do 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 do. Do bang do bang do do. Do bang do bang do.
Okay, Tony, write yes if it's in the picture, no if it's not in the picture.
Let's see. What? What? What the? 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 What? What the? What? The? What? The? What? The? What? 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 The? What? What? The? What? Should call you.
Bạn Hoa.
Teacher,
Yes.
I can't see the boy with the red trousers.
Okay, if it's not, if you cannot see the boy with the red trousers that's riding on a bicycle, then write no. If, as I've said, if it's in the picture, write yes. If it's not in the picture, write no.
The side, yeah. Boys are playing with the ball.
To lên chưa? Học các cô nghe thôi rồi.
About what 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 the girl under the tree is eating mm, 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 the girl next to the wall. The girl next to the wall is wearing charms. No, yes. No, no, no. Yes, yes, no. Bol lang, bol cha cha cha. Yes, no. Yes, no. No, 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 no. Help me, help me, help me. 3, 2, 1, go. Help me. It's drinking. Oh, yeah, yeah. No, me, 3, 2, 1, go. No, me, 3, 2, 1, go.
One more, Tony. Okay, done? Finish?
Yes, I'm finished.
Okay. Now, this time, I want you to review your answers, Tony. Try to review your answers by reading first the given sentences and tell me your answer, okay? Let's do first number 1. Tony, could you please read what's number 1?
Yes, the
Go.
teacher is pointing at the dog. Yes, the boy with red trouser is riding a bicycle. No,
Read properly. 1.
one of the children has got a picnic. 3 boys are playing with a ball. No,
Read properly.
the girl under the tree is eating. No, the girl next to the wall is wearing trousers. Yes.
Okay. Are you now ready to check your answers? Ready? Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right. So here we go. Number 1. The teacher is pointing at the dog. The correct answer, number 1, Tony, is, look up here, is, yes, correct. Number 2, Tony, the boy with the red trousers is riding a bicycle. Your answer is no. Let's see. Yes, it's correct. Very good. Tony, can you tell teacher why the answer is no? Because
I can see the boy with the red trousers.
But how about, can you see a boy riding a bicycle?
Yes.
Okay, what's the difference between that boy and the boy in the sentence? What is the boy wearing?
One boy is wearing a blue trousers,
Okay.
but the boy in picture 2 is wearing red trousers.
Okay, so the answer here is no. It's because the boy in the picture is not wearing the red trousers, but instead, he's wearing a blue. Is it a blue or purple? When you see the, what do you think? What color is that, do you think? It's, what color?
Blue.
It's blue. Okay. Number 3, Tony. One of the children has got a pet snake. Very good. It's yes. Number 4. 3 boys are playing with a ball. Your answer is no? Correct. Tony, why the answer number 4 is no?
Because in picture 1, there are 2 boys are playing with a ball.
There are
But
2 boys playing with the ball,
Picture
but
2, there are 3 boys
okay,
playing
very
with a
good.
ball.
Now here, the answer number 4 is a no. It's because there were only 2 boys that are playing, not 3. Okay, correct. Number 5, the girl under the tree is eating. The answer is no. Why the answer is no again?
Because I see the bottle.
I see
I see the bottle.
the bottle. What is the girl in the picture doing? She is
The girl is drinking.
very good. The girl is drinking, not eating. Number 6, the girl next to the wall is wearing trousers. The correct answer is, wow, very good again, Tony. Congratulations. Here in the part 2 of the reading and writing activity, you are correct. You are very good. You've got 6 perfect answers. Great work, Tony. It means that you understand the sentences given here. Congratulations, Tony. Now here, Tony, to answer part 3 of this reading and writing, I want you to enter again because this Zoom will not cannot have the more time to answer this or to finish this activity, okay? You enter, I'll just be out for 3 seconds and I'll just enter immediately. Okay?